I have been admitted to Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai.
When I didn't motivate myself, so I used to listen that song Believer.
I have done my schooling from nursery to class 12 from DBS Ranipur, and after it,
I am pursuing my PhD in English literature.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ravi Joshi, and I am here to tell about myself. So, in first, I want to thank you to sir to give me chance, and I want to tell about my family. I have come from a middle class family of Haridwar. In my family, I have one elder brother and also father and mother. It means we are living in nuclear family. So basically, after family, I want to tell you what I have done in my past. I have done 12th class basically, and now I'm current doing BBA from HSC College. I want to be a successful person, and I want to establish my business on clothes and in dairy. So my dreams, my hobbies are to play kabaddi and also cooking. This is my most lovely hobbies. I can tell you I have positive and negative, both are. So in positive, if I tell you I have motivation, I am positive person, and also I give positiveness to every person. In if I talk about my negativity, so I am some laziness person and do not hard worker. But I have motivation, like I can, if I am saying you I can do, so I can do. After that, I want to say my philosophy. Always you should go in a truth path, because if you go will there in a truth path, so you can achieve anything. My ideal person is Akshay Kumar, because I don't see much movies, a lot of movies of Akshay Kumar, but I know he is very creative, and he is very dedicated for his life. He also wake up on 4 a.m. and it means I want to say he has also plan what I want to do. After that, I want to tell you about achievement. In this age, in 18th age, I had given 2 time blood donate. So it's very big achievement to me, and I want to be continue this. After that, I want to tell you one message in a one line. So please, you can help your mother, you can help your father in your home. So thank you so much, guys.
Okay, clap for him.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Shefali Bist, and I am here to represent myself. And first of all, I would like to thank to respected sir who gave me a golden opportunity to represent myself. Let me talk about myself. My name is Shefali Bist, and I am from Haridwar, and I am originally belong to Pauri Gadwal, and let's talk about my family. So in my family, I am belonging from middle class family, and my father is a banker and he is very hardworking person, and my mother is housewife, so she is very spiritual kind of person, and she is very kind hearted. And I have two elder sisters. We are four siblings, and I have two elder sisters and one younger brother. So my eldest sister got married, and she is Mrs. Minakshi Sharma, and my elder sister is here. She is Miss Rakhi Bist, and I am Shefali Bist, and I have my younger brother who is Vansh Bist. So that's it about my family, and let's talk about my educations. I just passed out my 12th from Uttarakhand board, and now currently I am pursuing BCA from HEC group of institutions. It's my third year of graduation. After that, I want to indulge with government sector, and I know it's very tough for me, but I want to hard work, and I want to achieve. So let's talk about my achievements. I have no plenty of achievements, but I have achievements like I have a many trophies because in my school time I was very intelligent kind of person. That's why I have a many trophies in my home. And now let's talk about my hobbies. I am very fascinated about my about cooking. Very fascinated about cooking and dancing and reading a books. That's it. And now let's talk about my negative and positive traits. So I have a many positive traits like I am very trustworthy kind of person and I am very honest person. And negative traits is I am very short tempered kind of person. I want to improve myself. Let's see how I can improve. So let's talk about ideal person. Like for me, my ideal person is my mom. She is very matlab bold kind of person and she's very matlab she's just control all things and all her nature. Like she's also a short tempered but she controls herself. Okay, so she's my ideal person. And now let's talk about my favorites.
Don't help, guys.
I don't like many things, but my favorite is like songs. Okay, songs is depending on my mood. So my favorites is like creating anything and video editing and all. That's my favorites. And the philosophy of my life. The philosophy of my life is when God gives you a new beginning, so don't repeat the same mistake again and again. And the message which I want to give you all, that is, life is very unpredictable. So let's live the all moments, and that's it. Okay, so that's it about myself. And thank you for giving me opportunity. And thank you.
Okay, very good.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chavi Unyal and I am here to introduce myself. And firstly, I would like to thank to sir for giving me this opportunity to say few words about my life. And let me first tell about my family. My father works in hotel management and he is very hardworking. And my mother works in company. She is very kind lady and she is very religious lady. And I am a single child. Let me tell you about my education. I do my schooling from Kordwar and I do my nursery to 8th from Saraswati Shishu Sadan Public School from Kordwar, and then I admitted to SPVM School Kordwar, and now I am here to learn English. And let me tell you about my dream. I want to become a cabin crew. It's my childhood dream. And I know dreaming alone is not going to fulfill my aim, and I want to work hard for to complete my dream. And the biggest achievement of my life, I got many medals from school in sports, and my hobbies are playing games, painting and reading books and writing also. And the important message that I want to give, that don't believe in everyone blindly. And my philosophy of my life is keep your dream secret until it becomes permanent. And so I think that enough of my short life, and thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Manoj Chauhan. Let me about myself. I am belong from a middle class family from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. My past education from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, and after my schooling, currently I am belong from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. We are two stringer. My younger sister already married and he is a housewife. My father is a farmer. He is very hard-working person, and my mother is a housewife, and he is very politely nature. Let me something about my hobbies. My hobbies is playing cricket and reading books and making some reels for Instagram sometime. My favorite singer is Arjit Singh, because he is very lovely songs created. I have my weakness is I have easily believe everyone. Other weakness is I have angry suddenly and small talking other. So it is told about myself, and thank you everyone supporting me.
Okay.
Good evening, guys. My name is Yash Gupta. Today I'm going to introduce myself. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude towards sir for giving me chance to express myself. First of all, if I talk about my family, I belong from a middle income family from Haridwar. My father is a government employee, my mother is a housewife, and my sister is a doctor. I have done my schooling from nursery to class 12 from DBS Ranipur, and after it I am pursuing law degree from Law College Dehradun. If I talk about my dream, I want to become a rich and successful guy for which I am like working hard, giving my best. After it, if I talk about my hobbies are like trekking, traveling, and like working out. Also in which like I got a medal in my college for like heaviest deadlift. And after it, if every guy has some positive and negative traits. If I talk about my positive traits, I am a courageous guy, honest, loyal, creative. That's all like what I'm in my positive traits. And my negative traits are like I'm a short-tempered guy and with a pessimistic view. And my achievements, some of my recent achievements are like I have done internship under the chairman of Bar Council of Uttarakhand High Court, who's Mr. Mahendra Singh Pal, who has been the member of Lok Sabha Assembly. And also I have done internship under the president of Bar Council of Dehradun District Court. After it, if I talk about my ideal person is my father, from which I have learned like decision making. And if I talk about my philosophy of life, my philosophy like life is short, enjoy it at your best. One last message I would like to give you all is don't trust anyone blindly. So that's all for my introduction. Thanks a lot for listening me with such patience and affection.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am here to present my introduction in front all of you. But first of all, I would like to express my gratitude towards sir to being given a chance to say something about my life. I am Monica Mishra and I am from Jwalapur, Haridwar. I am come from a middle class family of Haridwar. I have 3 members in my family. My husband, my daughter and me. My husband is very hardworking person. He has his own business. My daughter is studying in 12th class. She is in the DAV Centenary Public School. And my father is very hardworking person. He is a Tirth Purohit of Haridwar. My mother is very kind-hearted and she is very religious lady. So we are 3 siblings. I have 2 younger brothers. And now I will tell you about my education. I have done my past education, my nursery education from the Mata Vaishno Devi Junior High School from Jwalapur, Haridwar, from nursery to 5th class. Then I was admitted in the GGIC Jwalapur from 6th to 12th classes, and I was kind of shy person and I was kind of very introvert person at that time, but still my teachers used to love me. And I have done my graduation and post-graduation from Garhwal University, and now I am pursuing my PhD in English literature from Swami Vivekanand Subharati University, Meerut. And I have some hobbies like others. I like to cook food. I like to read books, spiritual books actually, because I am kind of a spiritual lady. And I like to listen music in my own time. And I like to listen old songs. And like others, because no one is complete in this universe, so I have also some negative traits and some positive traits in my family, in my personality, sorry. I have positive traits that I am a very quick learner, and I accept my mistakes quickly, and I am very supported to others. So this is my positive traits. My negative traits that I trust people easily, and I am very weak to take decisions in the adverse situations. I have not a decision make. I am not a decision maker. So this is my negativity in my personality, and my interest is in the books. My interest in the spiritual books, because I want to read more and more spiritual books that I would achieve. So my ideal person is Mrs. Shobha Sudhamurthy. Sudhamurthy, the wife of Narayan Murthy. My ideal person she is, because she is now 73 years of age, but still she is very entertaining, very encouraging to the others. She is writing in English. She is writes for the kids actually. I want to say that she has a kid in her personality yet. So I just like her because something attracts in her personality. So she is very good person, and my message to all that always ready to help others. And my philosophy is believe in God and believe in yourself. My biggest achievement of my life that I felt that I have completed my education after my marriage, because when I was in graduation last year, I got married. So I have fulfilled my wish to be a teacher, so to be a professor actually. So I have completed my all education after my marriage. So it's a big achievement that I am still learning something in education on this stage of the life. That is my big achievement. And now it's all about my family, my life, sorry. So thank you for listening, being very patientfully. Thank you for listening.
Okay, very good.
Okay, so good evening, my batchmates. Hi, I'm Garima. I'm here for my presentations. I want to thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, golden opportunity to introduce myself. In my family, I have one sibling. We have a nuclear family. I have one sibling. He is younger than me. He is doing his engineering from Dehradun, and I did my nursery. I did my nursery to first class from Ramdhani Public School from Jwalapur, and the next first to 8th I did my schooling from Doon International Public School from Rishikesh, and the last I skipped my 7th class because as my principal know ki I am like intelligent girl type, overconfidence type. He thinks like that, so he want to skip my class. So he said to my father ki you should have to skip her class. So I did my 7th class. I did 8th class from Dehradun. Then I came Haridwar, and I did my 8th to 12th class from UK board. That's why I faced so many problems in interviews, in working experiences, because I have UK boards. So that's why I saw so many problems in that. So that's why I rejected so many times in interviews. Yeah, I think that was my negative traits. Like I did my UK board. The next, my father is a businessman. he is very hardworking person, and yeah, I am from nuclear family. I want to become a government employee for my parents because we are middle class. We are belongs to middle class, so I want to become a government employee. As you know, there is a security of job, security of family. There is so many facilities, so that's why I am preparing for government employee, and I did my masters from HNB University, and I did my masters and bachelors both from HNB universities. Okay, then my hobbies are like listening music. I used to listen the music. The song was Believer. Did you listen the song? The song was Believer. When I didn't motivate myself, so I used to listen that song Believer. And the other one, when I used to think about my future one husband type, so I listened to the song, The Dusk Till Dawn. My positive traits are like I am so confident. I want to face every situation, every circumstances I want to face right now, and for forward, backward, I want to face everything. So that's why I try to face these things also. And my negative trait, like I am not short tempered, but I am so much emotional person like that. When someone say a little things that hurts me, I cried suddenly. So that is my negative trait. I don't think I don't have another negative traits. I have positive traits only, like my confidence, like my studies. I achieved so many certificates. Like I did charitables. I have charitable certificates. I have dancing certificates. I have like presentation. This type of presentation certificates. I have so many certificates, or 4 to 5 trophies. I have 3 to 2 medals. I have so many things. You know what? I want to become a CA. That was my childhood dream. But my father didn't allow me to go other cities, so that's why I have to change my goal like that. So now my goal is the only one to grab a job like government employee. Okay, so that was my positive or negative traits. And then my achievement, when I'm feeling sad, I want to watch Shinchan. I like Shinchan cartoon, like Shinchan, and yeah, that's it.
Chalo, acha, very good.
Yeah.
Clap for her.
Good evening everyone, my name is Lakshay and today I got this opportunity to stand in front of you to give my introduction. So I want to thank my respected sir Mr. Rohit for giving me this opportunity. So let me talk about my family. I come from a middle class family from Haridwar and I have 4 family members including me. My father is an engineer and he is a very hardworking guy. My mother is a housewife and she is a very kind lady. I have an elder brother who is an entrepreneur and is 25 years old. So let me talk about my past education. I did nursery from Kidzi and I used to be the naughtiest kid in my school, and still my teachers used to love me. And I completed my 12th from Swami Hariharanand Public School from Kankal, Haridwar. So now let me talk about my dream. I aspire to become a police officer in police, and I know that only by talking I cannot complete my dream, so I have to work hard on it. So let me talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are to play sports with my friends, and my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli from India and AB de Villiers from South Africa. The most important thing I love about them is that they are very dedicated and hardworking toward their sports. Now let me talk about the pros and cons of my life. So the positive traits I carry is that I am very quick learner, and I learn things very quickly, and I love to help people. And the negative traits I don't think that I have any negative traits because I only focus on positive side of my life. So now I will talk about the philosophy of my life. I just want to say that do whatever you want to do and what you love. And the message I want to give you that don't focus on becoming rich, just focus on becoming a good human being. And the ideal person of my life is my father and my brother because they both are very dedicated and hardworking toward their work. And at last, I think that this is enough for my introduction. So I want to thank you for listening to me positively and with affection. Have a good day. Thank you.
Very nice. Clap for him, please, guys, loudly. Okay, so we all love the body language of Lakshay, huh? Like he's very confident speaker. We have seen in his previous presentation also as well. And guys, is there any point he has missed? Any point?
My name is Navanayan Sharma. I am from Jaipur. I am here to tell about something about my life. I would like to express my gratitude on being given a chance to say a few words. In my family, apart of my parents, I have two brothers and one sister. My elder brother is a shopkeeper and my youngest brother is a electrician. And my sister also is a good housewife. And let's tell about my education. I did my past education, nursery education, from my father's school, and after the nursery education, I used to be shy. Then I was admitted into other schools and colleges. I have completed my polytechnic diploma in electrical branch. Currently, I am working in Clarkson India Private Limited as a production engineer. My dream is I want to make a good businessman because I am prepared it. And my hobbies are reading books, religious and historical books. My favorite city, Uttarakhand, because I like us in the hills and the rivers and weathers. My favorite player in the cricket, I like cricket, and my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. My positive traits, I am very fast and quick learner, and my negative traits, I am very emotional person. I know it's wrong for me, and I'm trying to improve upon it. And my ideal person in my life is my mother, because I like her good decision making power and fight to the problems when it comes in life. And my philosophy in my life focus on developing good characters, traits that lead to good behavior. And my message to say to you that people still say something. It's people's job to say. So don't worry, you focus on your dream.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mayank Rai. I am here to tell you about my life. First of all, I will like to express my gratitude towards sir who gave me chance to express my feelings here. So let me start. First, I would like to tell you about my family background. So basically, I come from a middle income family of Haridwar, and my father is a government servant, and he is also hardworking. My mother is a good housewife and she is kind-hearted. We are two siblings. Basically, I have a elder sister. She is also a student. Now let me tell you about something about my education. So I did my past from here only, a school named Smart Birds. From there I did my nursery and all. Then I was admitted to Delhi Public School, Ranipur, Haridwar. Till 12th I studied there only. Now I have been admitted to Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai, where I am doing BTech in computer science and with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I used to be during my nursery time, I used to be a shy student, but as I grew up, I became some naughty and become some active member of class. I want to be a software engineer For that purpose, I am doing that CS in Vellore Institute of Technology. I know dreaming alone is not going to fulfill my aim, and I have to work hard on my dreams to make it come true. My hobbies are like playing cricket, chess, as I am a zonal level chess player also. During school time, I played many chess competition, and I secured like third position in zonal level. Basically, it was a team event, and there we performed well and secured third position. And then we went to like national level. There we lost, and we scored ninth position there. So this is what are my hobbies, and some of my favorite players are like from India, you know, Grandmaster Gukesh is one of the well chess player, and I also like Magnus Carlsen. He plays well, and so in cricket I like Virat Kohli due to his aggressive, and as he is very energetic in field, he shows his energy power that I like about him, and this is all what I like. And some of my positive traits are like I am confident and not confident. I can deal with any situation which I feel like, but in some situation I also get problems. So I manage to deal with them. And negative traits are that, as mentioned here, like I am short tempered. I become angry usually on some little points, like if some work is not done on time and anything, I become angry. And basically one of my weakness is like if I have been allotted a team, I cannot lead that team. That is my one weakness. I have to develop that confidence to lead a team. That is one negative point I can say, and that is all I want to tell you about